High above the earth, nestled on the island of Borneo, lies a land of captivating beauty. Brunei Darussalam, the abode of peace, reveals its true splendor from the air. Imagine this, a mosaic of emerald green, sapphire blue and shimmering gold. It's a tapestry woven together by nature and history. This is Brunei, a land of unexpected wonders. Lush rainforests blanket the land. Rivers meander through this verdant landscape like silver ribbons. Along the coastline, golden beaches meet the turquoise waters of the South China Sea. It's a blend of ancient traditions and modern aspirations. Join me as we embark on an aerial adventure. Get ready to explore its hidden treasures and experience the magic of this Southeast Asian gem. Brunei is a land where nature reigns supreme. Nowhere is this more evident than in its vast rainforests. These ancient forests cover a significant portion of the country. They are a testament to Brunei's commitment to conservation. From above, the rainforest canopy appears as an unbroken sea of green. It's a living, breathing ecosystem teeming with life. Sunlight filters through the leaves. It creates a dappled effect on the forest floor. The air is thick with humidity. The scent of damp earth and exotic blooms fills the air. These rainforests are home to an astonishing array of flora and fauna. Endangered species like the proboscis monkey and the clouded leopard find refuge in these protected areas. The forests are also a haven for birdwatchers. Hundreds of bird species, many unique to Borneo, flit through the trees. The rainforests of Brunei are not merely a visual spectacle. They are the lungs of Borneo. They play a crucial role in regulating the island's climate and water cycle. Their preservation is vital, not just for Brunei, but for the entire region. Our aerial journey takes us from the lush rainforest to the sparkling coastline. Brunei's shores stretch for over 160 kilometers along the South China Sea. They offer a diverse range of landscapes. Sandy beaches, rocky outcrops, and mangrove forests create a picturesque tapestry. Along the coast, fishing villages dot the landscape. Their colorful houses stand in stark contrast to the blue waters. Traditional fishing boats bob gently in the harbors. They are a testament to Brunei's long-standing connection to the sea. Further inland, the landscape transitions. Rolling hills and valleys replace the flat coastal plains. Here, agriculture thrives. Rice paddies shimmer like emerald mirrors under the sun. Rubber and oil palm plantations stand in neat rows. This journey across Brunei reveals the country's diverse landscapes. It highlights the delicate balance between nature and development. Brunei's commitment to preserving its natural heritage is evident in its protected areas and sustainable practices. Our aerial exploration takes us to Bandar Seri Begawan, Brunei's capital city. Nestled on the Brunei River, Bandar Seri Begawan is a city of contrasts. It seamlessly blends tradition and modernity, history and progress. From above, the city's most striking feature comes into view: Kampong Ayer. This water village is home to thousands of people. Wooden houses, mosques and schools stand on stilts above the water. It's a site that captures the essence of Brunei's unique character. Beyond Kampong Ayer, modern skyscrapers rise against the horizon. They reflect the country's economic prosperity. Lush green parks and gardens dot the cityscape. They provide a welcome respite from the urban bustle. Bandar Seri Begawan is a city that invites exploration. Its vibrant markets, historic mosques and friendly people offer a glimpse into Brunei's soul. It's a city where the past and present coexist in perfect harmony. Section 5, the heart of Bandar Sultan Omar Ali Saifuddien Mosque. No aerial tour of Brunei would be complete without a glimpse of the Sultan Omar Ali Saifuddien Mosque. This architectural masterpiece dominates the Bandar Seri Begawan skyline. It stands as a symbol of Brunei's Islamic faith. From above, the mosque's grandeur is undeniable. Its golden dome, shimmering in the sunlight, is visible from miles around. Surrounding the mosque is an artificial lagoon. It reflects the sky and adds to the serene ambience. The mosque's beauty extends beyond its exterior. Inside, intricate mosaics, marble columns, and handcrafted chandeliers create an atmosphere of awe and reverence. Gardens filled with fragrant flowers surround the mosque. They offer a tranquil space for reflection and prayer. The Sultan Omar Ali Saifuddien Mosque is not just a place of worship. It's a cultural landmark, an architectural gem, and a source of national pride. It stands as a testament to Brunei's rich Islamic heritage. Section 6, Ulu Temburong, a journey into the green heart. Our aerial journey continues deeper into the heart of Borneo. We arrive at Ulu Temburong National Park. This pristine rainforest is one of Brunei's most treasured natural wonders. It's a haven for biodiversity and a testament to the country's conservation efforts. As we fly over the park, the true scale of the rainforest becomes apparent. It's an unbroken expanse of green, stretching as far as the eye can see. Rivers wind their way through the forest, their waters a deep emerald green. The air is alive with the sounds of insects and birdsong. Ulu Temburong is home to an astonishing array of plant and animal life. Many of these species are found nowhere else on Earth. The park is a paradise for nature lovers and adventurers alike. It offers a chance to experience the raw beauty of Borneo's rainforest. Visitors can trek through the jungle, go whitewater rafting, or simply relax and soak up the tranquility of their surroundings. Ulu Temburong is a place where one can truly connect with nature and escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Section 6. Ulu Temburong, a journey into the green heart. Our aerial journey continues deeper into the heart of Borneo. We arrive at Ulu Temburong National Park. This pristine rainforest is one of Brunei's most treasured natural wonders. It's a haven for biodiversity and a testament to the country's conservation efforts. As we fly over the park, the true scale of the rainforest becomes apparent. It's an unbroken expanse of green, stretching as far as the eye can see. Rivers wind their way through the forest, their waters a deep emerald green. The air is alive with the sounds of insects and birdsong. Ulu Temburong is home to an astonishing array of plant and animal life. Many of these species are found nowhere else on Earth. The park is a paradise for nature lovers and adventurers alike. It offers a chance to experience the raw beauty of Borneo's rainforest. Visitors can trek through the jungle, go whitewater rafting, or simply relax and soak up the tranquility of their surroundings. Ulu Temburong is a place where one can truly connect with nature and escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Section 7. The Canopy Walkway, above the rainforest floor. One of the most unforgettable experiences in Ulu Temburong awaits high above the forest floor. Imagine this, a walkway suspended between towering trees. It offers a unique perspective on this incredible ecosystem. The Canopy Walkway stretches for over 500 meters. It allows visitors to walk among the rainforest canopy. From this vantage point, you're eye to eye with the rainforest's inhabitants. Colorful birds flit through the branches, monkeys swing from tree to tree, insects buzz through the humid air. The walkway offers breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding rainforest. It's a photographer's dream and a nature lover's paradise. As you stand above the forest floor, you gain a newfound appreciation for the complexity and fragility of this unique ecosystem. The Canopy Walkway is a testament to Brunei's commitment to ecotourism. It allows visitors to experience the rainforest's wonders without harming its delicate balance. It's an experience that will stay with you long after you leave the rainforest. Section 8. Black Gold and its legacy, Brunei's oil wealth. Our aerial perspective reveals another facet of Brunei. It's a land of significant oil and gas reserves. These resources have transformed the nation. They've brought prosperity and shaped its modern identity. From the air, we see evidence of this wealth. Offshore oil platforms dot the coastline. They stand as symbols of Brunei's economic powerhouse. Refineries and petrochemical plants hum with activity. They contribute to the nation's wealth. However, Brunei's story goes beyond its oil wealth. The country is committed to sustainable development. It's investing in renewable energy sources and diversifying its economy. The government's focus on education, healthcare, and infrastructure is evident. It's shaping a brighter future for all Bruneians. While oil and gas have played a pivotal role in Brunei's development, the nation is actively planning for a future beyond fossil fuels. Section 9. The Tapestry of Tradition, Culture and Festivals. Brunei's cultural richness is as captivating as its natural beauty. The country boasts a vibrant tapestry of traditions. They're rooted in Malay Islamic culture. Festivals and celebrations are an integral part of Bruneian life. One such festival is Hari Raya Idul Fitri. It marks the end of Ramadan. Families gather for feasts and visit relatives. The air is filled with the sounds of laughter and traditional music. Another significant event is the Sultan's birthday. It's celebrated with great pomp and ceremony. Parades, cultural performances, and fireworks displays light up the night sky. Brunei's cultural heritage is also evident in its traditional crafts. Exquisite silverware, hand-woven textiles, and intricate basketry are testament to the skills passed down through generations. These crafts offer a glimpse into Brunei's artistic soul and provide a unique souvenir for visitors. Section 10. Hidden Gems. Unveiling Brunei's Secrets. Beyond the well-trodden tourist paths, Brunei holds hidden gems. These are waiting to be discovered. Venture off the beaten track. You'll uncover a world of natural wonders and cultural treasures. For those seeking adventure, the Tasek Marambon Heritage Park beckons. This peat swamp forest is home to diverse flora and fauna. It offers opportunities for kayaking, birdwatching, and trekking. History buffs will be captivated by the Brunei Museum. It houses artifacts. These showcase the country's rich past. From ancient Chinese ceramics to royal regalia, the museum offers a fascinating glimpse into Brunei's heritage. For a taste of local life, visit the Gadong Night Market. Here, vendors offer an array of local delicacies. From grilled seafood to traditional Malay cakes, it's a feast for the senses. Section 11. Brunei beckons a must-visit destination. As our aerial journey comes to an end, one thing is clear. Brunei is a destination that deserves to be on every traveler's bucket list. It's a land of contrasts and surprises. It offers a unique blend of natural beauty, cultural richness, and modern amenities. Whether you're seeking adventure in its pristine rainforests, cultural immersion in its vibrant cities, or relaxation on its pristine beaches, Brunei has something to offer everyone. So why wait? Answer the call of adventure. Discover the magic of Brunei, the abode of peace. It's a destination that will captivate your senses, stir your soul,